Hey all, welcome back to the Fire and Water Cooking Channel. I am Darren, and today I'm going to do a quick review of some new knives I was sent by Tuo Cutlery, their Legacy edition, the Legacy series of knives. I'll be right back. We'll look at these knives.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
Well, if you guys have followed me at all or know who I am or seen any of my videos, you know I like the Tuo Cutlery Fiery Phoenix line of knives. They have great ergonomic handles. I like the wood. I like the way the knives are made. I like the sharpness of them and all that. So they actually sent me these knives here to do a quick mini review on and to go over them so you guys can know what makes these knives different than the other ones that they have. So I'm going to go ahead and open this as a chef knife, and they have several different kinds of these knives, of course, just like on any of their lines. They've got multiple different kinds of knives. So first of all, it comes in a decent box here with a clear face so you can see the knife. Sits in there perfect. It's got a plastic sheath with it. It's got little magnets in here to keep the box closed, so you can actually keep them in there, or it's a nice gift box anyway if you're giving these as a gift. Of course, these are made in China, but then again, a lot of stuff is. One of the things I really like about this knife so far, just taking it out of the box, is it's got some really good heft to it. And just like all their knives, their ergonomic handle, if you're somebody like me with bigger hands, bigger fingers, big fat hands, you really want a knife that's got ergonomic type handle that feels good in your hand. So it's not going to slip out. It doesn't cramp up when you're cutting lots of stuff. So actually this is really well balanced, and I'm going to do a close-up on it because it actually looks pretty cool once you take a really close look at it. Of course, this is German steel. It's X50 Chromo 15 is what it says on here. The TC 1504 is the model number. It's got the Tuo Cutlery symbol on the side. But if you take a look at this handle, it's got a little mosaic on here on the rivets, and the rivets are really smooth and shiny. I like the Paca wood handle as well. It feels good in your hands. It's a full tang, goes all the way through the handle, all the way out to the bottom. You can even see it on this one. It's not covered at all. It's really well balanced. It's got a nice little edge here to keep your thumb and your finger from getting cut. So a little guard, a little finger guard on here, and really sharp pointy end. And it's got, you can actually give you a closer look so you can see what I'm seeing here. It really doesn't look too good here, but with the light. But as you can tell, it's a really high quality stainless steel for sure, and it's really well balanced. So that's the chef's knife. They have also this here is their paring knife here, 4-inch paring knife. This is the 8-inch chef's knife. Got the 4-inch paring knife. And the same. It's got the nice ergonomic grip on there. Nice mosaic on the rivet in the middle. The handle is well polished. The blade's well polished. Feels really good in your hand as well. Let's go ahead, and I got the this is the 8-inch slicer. So still 8 inches long, just like the chef's knife, but it's more of a slicer. So you can use this to cut brisket, roast, what have you. It's kind of a thinner blade, but same ergonomic handle. And then I got the 5.5-inch boning knife. Now, unlike a lot of other boning knives out there, this one's not very flexible. This is kind of a stiff one. Now, you know, it's got a little bit of flex to it, but nowhere near like a Victorinox or anything like that. It's a pretty stiff boning knife, and there's advantages to that. Sometimes you want a stiffer boning knife, and sometimes you want a more flexible one. So this one's pretty stiff. It's got the little groove here, so you can get around the bone. Same ergonomic type handle. So far, these look pretty good, and it's the same kind of steel that they make all their knives with. So I know that they hold their edge really well. And this is a 12-degree edge, just like all their knives. It's more of the Japanese type edge. It's not a European type edge like a 18 or 20 degree. This is like a 12 degree, so it's very sharp. And I'll just go ahead and show you. I'll show you with the boning knife. Doesn't really matter just how sharp it is. It can really just go right through the knife, go right through the apple here. This is the regular apple. Just show you. Don't even need a whole lot of. Don't even need a lot of pressure. It's very sharp. Show you with the slicer as well. Don't even really need to use a whole lot of force with it. It just goes right through. It's very sharp. Same thing with the paring knife. So check them out, guys. I really like them. If you like ergonomic handles, if you got bigger hands, these are very reasonable, but they're also very good looking. They also have some a knife set as well. But check out the Tuo Cutlery Legacy series. I like them. I think they're going to be a winner. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Check out the Tuo Cutlery knives on Amazon. I'll see you on the next fire and water cooking video.